Today, this video is going to illustrate facing the end of a bar off square with the rest of the bar using a 3-inch carbide inserted 5-flute face mill in the spindle, horizontal spindle of a 3A Brown Sharpe universal mill. Before I start the machine, I will kind of glance around here, show you the work holding that is used to hold the part. Precision right angle, securely clamped to the table. Stop. Strap clamps holding the part down. The feed rates and speeds have already been set. I'm going to engage the machine clutch, which starts the spindle operation. I have already set the depth of cut of this pass at 30 and a half thousandths per inch, as you can see from the y-axis in the digital readouts. I'm going to come over here and engage the table feed lever, and we will watch it happen. Notice there's a little smoke. That's due to cutting oil for previous sawing operation on the part. The smoke is caused by the heat generated by the high speed of the carbide inserts cutting the chips. Now we're almost across it, letting the cutter come all the way through the part before we stop the table feed. Now that the cutter, as the back edge of the cutter has flared apart, we can stop the table feed, we can stop the spindle. Now I'm going to show you a previous machine part here that I did. This is the rough end just out of the bandsaw. There is the finished milled end. Nice crosshatch pattern on it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. How to mill the end of a bar square on a horizontal milling machine. Have a good day and thank you.